Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing this purse together. I got it from a company called Tikhubs. Yes, and so come with me guys, let's go ahead and unbox this box. I know you're wondering what's going on with this outfit. Okay, so I'm having a shoot for my personal brand, my clothing line, chassis everything as you can see, and then I decided to quickly unbox this video while I'm shooting my video for my brand as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this pretty box. So if you're new here, please by all means go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know your name, where in the world are you tuning in from, and if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your incredible support. So guys, do not worry, I'm gonna leave the link to purchase this purse in my comments as well as in my description. So come with me guys, let's go. Let's go. Do you like my gilly? I know it's not about gilly. We are talking about this amazing purse that I got from Tikhubs. Hey guys, can you see what I'm saying? Can you see what I'm saying, guys? Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go ahead and unbox this. Oh, I see. I think it's gonna match what I'm wearing right now. So can you guess what color it is? Going. It's only available for people that attend today's premiere. Am I gonna premiere this video? I'm not so sure. But yes, let's go ahead and open it up guys. I'm excited like Okay, 3, 2, 1. This is a big reveal guys. Can you take a look at this? Guess what? It's matching. Yes, so let's go ahead and unbox it right away. Let me take off all of the flaps. So besties, let's go ahead and cut up all the strips that we have in here, so we can really feel the bag. You know what I mean? Mariah, I don't want to cut the handle. So guys, let's go ahead and unbox the purse. Okay, we have a strap right here, so let's go ahead and also get rid of the strap. I mean, get rid of the pack. Okay, so let me see if I can pull it like this. Okay, let me see. Let me see if I can pull it up this way as well. Oh gosh, I didn't want to do it off camera, but let me go ahead and pull the strip for you guys. So yes, if you're new here, please, I want to know you guys. Introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and me too. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. Okay, good. So let's go ahead. We also need to take this off. Okay, we need to take off this one as well. Okay, we're gonna take this off, but first let me put this one. So guys, it has this like a T stuff in here. Just glide it onto the side, glide it to the other side, and then it's gonna hold still. Do the same thing on the other side. It's super easy, pretty easy. Just glide it in this way. So guys, guess what guys? Okay, let's go ahead and take this off to the wrap around. Yeah, so guys, this is what the interior looks like. And this is what this part looks like. So you see, it's quite portable. Okay, it also has something here, so you take it out, you pin it. So once you pin it right here, this is it, guys. This is it. So you can carry it like this. You can carry it like this. You know. Let me tilt this a little bit. You can carry it like this. Yeah. You can carry it like this, or you can just, you know, enjoy it like this. Like this. Both ways, both are okay. Like, and you, if you like, you can carry it like this. You know, yeah. It's also okay like this, guys. So yes, you can make a statement wherever you're going. Use my link to purchase this. I'm gonna leave the link right in the description, guys. So yes, go ahead and use my link to purchase yours right away. And of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. Let's go rock this purse together. All right, guys. Take care and bye.